Action Construction Equipment, or in short ACE. This stock has given some phenomenal returns and in a very steady and stable manner. That is why it is very impressive, and I'm pretty impressed with this stock. The main reason behind that, it is a fundamentally strong company and has given a consistent return throughout these years. So in this video we are going to see what is the future potential that is left for this stock and how strong its fundamentals actually are. I will do the fundamental analysis, then I'll move to the price action, and we will, by the end of this video, we will get to a conclusion that if this stock is still investment worthy or not, and which type of investors should invest in this one, either the long-term investors or the swing traders or positional traders. Everything I'm going to make it very clear for you in this video. But please remember that this is not a stock recommendation video. Please do the buying and selling of stock based on your own analysis, and you can use the advice given in this video as an additional info, right? So with that said, let's get started. Okay, hello everyone, and welcome back to another video of Financial Impulse. So this is Action Construction Equipment, ACE, and you can see that this this company is engaged in business of manufacturing and marketing hydraulic, mobile cranes, mobile towers, and all these things. Okay, so it will be very clear when we first go to its official website. Okay, so here is the official website, ACE, Action Construction Equipment, and you can see, and I am pretty sure you must have seen this machine somewhere around your city. Okay, near the construction area, the cranes, forklifts, and everything. Okay, you definitely must have seen. And when I come back to this place, this is the largest company which produces all these equipments. Okay, number one crane brand, you can see. And if we take a look at this statistics, it has 60 plus products, 100 plus locations, 3,300 plus employees, 20,000 plus happy customers. So very impressive numbers. Okay, looking from this angle. Now let us go to some basic numbers for this stock. So the screener says that the screener has listed some of its pros, so let's read them out. So company has reduced debt, it is almost debt free, it is expected to give good quarter there. 42.6% CAGR over last 5 years, very impressive numbers. Debtor days has improved. Okay, 30.5 to 20.6. Now the cons, 12 trading at 12.5 times is book value, promoter holding has decreased by 1.35%. Okay, so I would say the pros are outperforming the cons. Okay, they are better. Now let us come and look at the more fundamental numbers. So the current price of ACE is 1268.95 with a market cap of 15,300 crores. Reserves is 1200 crores, and it has a very small debt, just 4.46 crore. Debt to equity ratio obviously 0.00. 3 years average sales growth 33.41, average profit growth 63.04, and earning per share growth 60. So very impressive numbers. Now return on asset 12.46, capital return on capital employed 29.99, 30%. Okay, and these are also 3 years average. Interest coverage ratio 17.67, current ratio 0.98, which is good. Okay, then operating profit margin 14.02, then promoter holding 65%, alt manager score 14.21. These numbers are very impressive as well. Okay, coming to profit and loss. So let us check the last 3 years, or maybe let's do last 4 years. Okay, so we can see from 2022 to 2023 the sales improved from 1632 to 2160, then 2914, then 2996. So clear sign of growth in sales for this stock. Operating profit 151 to 221, then 404, then 420. Operating profit margin 9%, 10%, 14%, 14%. So clearly there is growth in sales, operating profit, and operating profit margin, and that is all an investor actually looks for. Okay, earning per share 8.82 to 14.41, 27.56, 28.96. Very good numbers here as well. Now let us take a look at the shareholding pattern. So if we take a look at the shareholding pattern for last 3 quarters, we are getting to see the promoters have slightly reduced the stake, which was mentioned in the cons, from 66.76 to 65.1 of 65.41, so around 1.3%. Okay, so at the same time we are getting to see some increase in numbers by the FIs from 8.81% to 9.35, then 10.13. Okay, very promising. This looks very promising. DA is holding 2.61 to 2.21, then 1.78. DA has been reducing the stake, but from here to here the stake reduction is around, you can say, less than 1%, around 0.8%. Excuse me. But at the same time FI's increase is around 1.5%. So overall I would say the the fundamental numbers of the stock, the profit loss statement and the shareholding pattern is looking very very stable. Now we are going to take a look at the price action, and if you are watching the video so far and finding it valuable, please consider sharing this video, liking this video and subscribing to this channel. Okay, now this is Action Construction Equipment's daily chart, and I have drawn one support level here. The reason is that I saw that the stock came to this level around 1400 level and then started showing back to back weakness. Here is the weakness I'm drawing. Okay, but every time it showed weakness, it tried to take support at some place, and that place is this one. Okay, around this you can see, and currently also it is trying to make this level as support, which was acting as resistance here. Okay, so this is looking quite good. Now this alone won't be enough to give us an idea that if this is a good time for investment or not. So we have to check if this is a key level or not. So how can we check that? So what we can do is we can go to the weekly time frame and check the super trend levels. And the super trend indicator is telling that in weekly time frame it has not crossed the green line, so it is safe. Okay, let us go back again to daily time frame and let us check if it has the support of any moving average or not. So let me enable the 200 days moving average, and there we go. Okay, so I can clearly see that the stock is approaching the 200 days EMA, and if this stock has to take a U-turn from this level, then definitely I expect this stock to give a big green candle with high volume very soon. In coming days it should definitely give, like the stocks normally do when they try to bounce above the 200 days moving average. Okay, and here you can see one big engulfing bullish engulfing candle, okay, which is clearly indicating strength, and it went up then came down, and again also it is trying to show strength around this area. Okay, so how can we make the proper entry technically if we are interested to invest in this stock? So what I can do is I can draw one trend line like this, okay, connecting these levels, right? Then we have the 200 days EMA here, and if I enable the super trend in daily time frame, I am getting to see that it is marking this level as its nearest resistance. So what I can do is I will hide this super trend. Okay, I can draw one resistance zone here connecting all these levels. Okay, this is the resistance zone. Fine. I will mark it in red color. Okay, there we go. And see, we have two options here. So if you are a very conservative investor and you do not want to take any risk at all, then you can wait for the stock to breach this 1600 to 1700 level. When it will come to this level, show some strength and then give a breakout, you can do this, not a problem at all. But let's say excuse me, but let's say you strongly believe in the fundamentals and you know that this stock is definitely going up in coming days, and you want to make investment at a very key level when the price is little bit lower. Let us measure first of all how much of a discount you will be getting at the current price, around 23%, let's say 24%. So if you are okay with that, then what you can do is you can start accumulating the stock at this level. Okay, but please, I'm reminding, this is not a stock recommendation video, just an educational and informational video, right? So you can start accumulating this stock at this level, but please remember that it is not going to give you returns overnight if you invest at this level. Just that you will get the stock at a lower price. Okay, it could do this swings here and then give a breakout. Okay, and let's say if you are kind of a person who likes to take limited risk, not very safe, not very risky, just moderate risk, then you can mark this level, this 1480 1500 level. Here you can take the entry, because you can see clearly, see this is also one nearest resistance level, and I can draw this line 1470 around level. Okay, okay, so that is what you can do. And once it gives a break above all these levels, then the stock could continue giving returns, it could start a rally. Okay, and this is one of the stocks which is fundamentally strong, and products like this will definitely have good demand in future, because India is obviously a developing country. The infrastructure sector, the construction sector is obviously going to grow, and with that they will definitely need these equipments. Okay, crane, forklift, and multiple other equipments, the large equipment, definitely they are going to need it, and obviously it will give boost to the sales of this company, right? So that was all about Action Construction Equipment, ACE. I hope this video was informative and informational. Please hit the like button, share it with your friends and other people, and don't forget to subscribe to Financial Impulse. And if you are a subscriber and finding my video valuable, consider joining the Financial Impulse community, where you will get more stock analysis posts, and also you will be able to chat with me directly one to one on Discord and ask your queries. And also don't forget to check my other channel, Financial Affairs. You'll find the link in the description section below. Thank you for watching. I'll meet you in the next one. Bye. Take care.